Welcome back, children. We are going to deal with the garbages. Okay, the topic is dealing with garbage. Okay, see, you might have seen the people from municipality collecting the garbages in truck. Okay, and they'll take it to a low-lying area called as landfill. Wherever it is little bit lower than the ground level. Okay, they'll be throwing it there, which is called as landfill. Okay, and there are a part of garbage whichever we use it. Okay, it can be replaced. I mean, it can be reused. Okay, so the reused garbages can be separated from that of which cannot be reused. Okay, we can separate the garbage into two halves, one which can be reused, the other one which cannot be reused. Okay, and look at children, this garbages, which can be reused, it's called as useful garbages, and which cannot be reused, it's called as the non-useful components. Okay, which can be reused it is useful, and which cannot be reused it is non-useful components. Okay, and the non-useful components we have to separate it out. Okay, then only we can throw them in the landfill, and we can cover it with soil. Okay, once it is completely full, uh, usually they'll be converting these areas into the parks or the playground. Okay, maybe like for 10-20 years you'll be throwing the waste there, and after 10-20 years that will be converted into the park or the playground. Okay, to deal with some components, garbages, which can be decomposed, that it is called as the compost. Okay, yeah, if it gets degraded, then it is called as the compost. Okay, one small activity, let's try doing it. Okay, what you have to do is you collect garbage from your house. Okay, which is like which is before which has been thrown into the dustbin. You collect the garbages and separate it into two groups. One, it is the kitchen waste, like waste from vegetables, fruits, eggshell, okay, waste food, tea leaves, newspaper, dry leaves, plastic paper bags, all these into one group. Okay, the other piece of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, okay, nails, old shoes, broken toys, these and all into two groups. Okay, one small activity you're going to do, you are going to collect the garbages, okay, and you're making it into two groups, one from the kitchen waste, the other one the remaining waste, okay, like plastics, glasses and all. Okay, make it into two groups, and these two groups again you are dividing into two groups each. Okay, again you're going to divide each one into two groups. Okay, and label them as A, B, C and D. Okay, put all the four into a plastic bag, all the four groups into a one plastic cover, and dig the soil and bury it. Okay, dig the soil and bury it, and after a week we'll see what happens to it. Okay, so very simple. You're collecting the vegetable waste, kitchen waste, all the waste from home. Okay, you're segregating the vegetable waste and the kitchen waste separately. Okay, the remaining plastic, glass, aluminium and all separately. And each you're dividing into two groups and putting it in four plastic bags, plastic cover, polythene cover. Okay, making it airtight. You're burrowing the ground and you're burying it. Okay, in the next video, let's see what it's going to happen for that. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.